Today, Science Explorers, I am Nika Joy Bonifacio.
And I am Ginald Ricar Calaran.
Today, we will be discussing about homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. What is mixture?
A mixture is a substance created when you combine two or more different materials. The materials are physically combined. There are two types of mixture.
Homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous are uniform. Homo means same. Is a combination of substance basically combined. Salt and water is a classic example. The salt disappears because it spreads evenly.
Heterogeneous mixture. It is a non-uniform mixture. Hetero means different. You can see the separate parts, which mean they are not evenly mixed. Think of a salad. Lettuce, tomatoes, and onions. They're all visible.
I hope you like our little lesson for today.
Just like a good mixture, we brought together a bunch of different ideas and hopefully created something interesting.
See you next time, and remember to keep mixing things up. Thank you for watching.